If you feel like your leads aren't converting the way they should, this video will show you how to fix that problem, how to fix it fast. I'm going to walk you step by step through how you can sign more of the good leads you're already getting without spending more on SEO or PPC. Let's get started. Step 1, assign someone to follow up persistently. The primary reason leads don't convert is that nobody follows up more than once or twice. That's not enough. So the first step is to assign someone, not you, to take over lead follow up. So this can, of course, be a part-time freelancer, a virtual assistant, a trusted staff member. But here's what they'll need to do. Call every new lead multiple times over 3 to 5 days. Call old or dead leads from the past 6 to 12 months. Ask for appointments or retainers. Call past clients and ask for Google reviews. This alone often brings in new clients immediately, right away, especially from old leads who were never properly followed up with, right? They were never actually contacted in the first place. So if you don't have someone, you can hire a virtual assistant, of course, with phone skills and train them on how you want leads handled. Step 2, build an automated follow-up sequence. Now, even the best caller can't be available 24/7, so you'll need and you'll really want to add automation to ensure every lead hears from you immediately and consistently. Here's what to build: a voice agent, answer overflow, and of course after hours calls. An AI chatbot on your website to handle visitor questions. A multi-step follow-up sequence with voicemail drops, texts, emails, a short intro video. You can create these using platforms like High Level, Clio Grow, Lawmatics, or even MailChimp or Calendly with Zapier. The key is every lead should get a quick confirmation message. Quick, rapid. That is the most important thing. Some helpful info included, right? Even regular check-ins, even if they don't respond right away. Step 3, add authority building educational content. When leads are deciding between you and other firms, when other attributes appear otherwise equal, they pick the lawyer who seems to have the most experience handling their specific issue, right? So you need content that proves your experience in that specific area. So here's what to create there: articles and videos for your practice areas, an FAQ section on your website, a guide or checklist download, testimonials from happy clients, specifically that type of case, right, with varying fact patterns, an exit intent pop-up on your site with a lead magnet. You don't have to write this all at once. It's a lot, but start by answering the questions you hear most often from clients and turn those answers into blog posts, turn them into short videos, then generally build from there. Step 4, send printed or PDF persuasion materials. Most firms don't send anything to prospects after a call. So if you send something, anything, even something simple, you'll really stand out. Here's what you can prepare. Here's what we've seen work really well: a short booklet on your practice area, even 6 to 8 pages is enough. It doesn't need to be super lengthy. A 1-pager of your Google reviews, that's really compelling, all that user-generated content. A welcome packet explaining what comes next, a shock and awe folder with helpful info, FAQs, maybe a personal letter. You can send these as PDFs or email or print them out and mail them. This step builds trust. It helps undecided prospects feel confident in choosing you. Step 5, combine and systematize. When you put all 4 parts together, you now have a real intake system: a human caller to follow up persistently, automation to handle the rest, educational content to build authority, persuasion materials that differentiate you. Even if you start small, just adding a caller and a couple follow-up emails, you'll see more signed cases within weeks, if not days. Then you can keep improving it over time. If this sounds like a lot, I get it. Most law firms don't have time to build all of this themselves. That's why, of course, we created our done-for-you conversion amplifier service, which handles every step for you. I can tell you about it if you click the link in the description below. I'd love to chat. But whether you hire us or you do it yourself, the most important thing is this: don't let good leads keep slipping away because of slow follow-up and weak systems. Even small improvements here will produce a big return. Remember that. Thanks for watching. Until next time.